Asking if you guys did any vlogging today.
No, we did not.
No vlogging. See the commitment level here I have to work with? I go to work, they're all home. You could have taken... with you. Hey guys, welcome back to the Higham house. It was Tuesday afternoon, right?
Yep.
And we are slowly getting back into our routines. Mommy, Amy started watching the kid. Today was today, right? So she got to stay home, not have to go to work. She worked from home. And that's what works best for us. And it was a very good day.
Yes.
Everything went well with the kid. And she gets to make dinner. Whereas I think I have made dinner probably about 90% of the summer.
Yep. I seriously haven't cooked for I don't even know how long.
Yeah.
You've either been at camp or you cooked.
Yeah, I've done a lot of cooking as of late. Anyhow, Tuesday nights, we were supposed to have a student ministry function this evening, but a bunch of really bad thunderstorms rolled through. And so we decided to cancel it. And this is what happens all the time. So we cancel it, and then it gets sunny. But don't be fooled, because there's another strand of storms still coming that will be here in a little bit. And then it's supposed to go to all rain. So our event was an outdoor pool party, and you can't do that in thunderstorms. And it's already like 78 degrees, I think my car said. So it's going to be a lot colder tonight. So anyhow, we're home, we canceled, but now I've got a session meeting at the church, which is a good thing. So Mommy has been making dinner, and what is it that we're actually making here? Chicken stir fry. Looks pretty good, smells pretty good. Is that a Pinterest?
Of course.
A Pinterest recipe? So, I figured let's pick up the camera, do a little bit of vlogging, get something so we can post a little bit of something tomorrow. We're going to fall back into our school year routines, which means we're not going to be vlogging every single day like we do in the summertime. Although we didn't vlog every single day, but we did a pretty good job of vlogging a lot. You said that I think the storms were mostly... One of the things I like to do is when the storms like we just had come in, I like to turn the scanner on. This reminds me of years gone by where I was able to actually respond to those calls and be a part of that excitement. Anyhow, we're going to go back to our school season vlogs, which I think is going to be like Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And we'll catch some of the weekend stuff, we'll catch some of the weekday stuff, but it won't be as time consuming. Because quite honestly, even though Logan's going to school, we're still going to have a lot of calendar stuff. Kids with sports. Nate's going to be playing football. Bray is playing volleyball for the first time. The boys aren't doing anything. Aiden and Ash are taking this season off, but they're going to play basketball, which is retro. And we just know that life's going to get crazy. Youth group's going to start up again. Church activities are starting up again. So we don't want to overcommit and then leave you guys high and dry.
How thankful I am that Aiden and Ash aren't playing soccer right now, because that would make literally every night something going on. Well, it's probably gonna be every night anyway, but at least it's not every night going into like multiple directions. It'll be every night just.
And when it comes to family, we're all for our kids playing sports. We highly support that, but we value family more than sports. And so we're just not ready to like abandon the values that we have and kind of the goals that we have. I mean, we're not perfect, but we do value like family time. Family dinner is a big thing for us, and we just don't see, for us, it doesn't work to be going out every single night of the week doing something. It's exhausting, and it's just not us. And so we have tried really hard to rotate the kids through seasons, and so that's what we're going to do this year. But I just know vlogging every single day is not going to happen. So, but we shared that on the blog today. So, we updated the blog and we talked about vlog times, blog times, and kind of like the plan that I'm putting in place so that we can continue to encourage you guys as we share our story here on the vlog. So let me go ahead and let's get dinner going. I think we're getting close. Are we getting close? We're getting close. I've got to get to a meeting, so we're gonna eat, and then maybe they'll do some vlogging when I leave. Maybe they can do something. Just, I don't know, whatever's happening here in the house.
We don't know what's happening here in the house.
Happening here in the house. I want us to do a parent talk.
We're gonna have our...
I want us to do a parents talk about what it's like to say goodbye to our oldest. That is not going to be
watch
fun.
Me cry through that whole thing? Then,
but
yes.
Since this is our first time transitioning a student into, one of our kids into college, I thought it'd be a great parents talk episode, just to talk about some of the stuff that we're feeling and thinking and dealing with as we do that. So hopefully we can squeeze that in at some point. But that probably won't go live until next week. I have a lot of work to do.
You're gonna cry too, though, by the way.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. If I can get him to like cheese me off and I'd be mad at him, then I won't do that. But yeah, a lot of things are changing here very, very, very soon. It's going to be very interesting. This coming weekend is going to be brutal. We got a very busy weekend, and then on Monday we say goodbye to Logan. Like, it's going to be an exhausting weekend right into an emotional day on Monday. So look, she's crying already. All right, let's get some dinner, guys.
What's today's date?
Turn it up, I said. I'll punch you in the
Nate's birthday was the 19th, 20th to 22nd.
Did you hear them?
What?
He's like, I will punch you in the ball sack.
Nice.
I said no such thing.
Yes, you did.
No, Toby.
That's off limits in this house.
29?
Oh boy.
Ow!
Once I get up your nose and there's a booger.
Then I'm a normal human being that's alive. What do you? I don't. This is really close to my face.
Let's go.
I know.
Yeah.
Look at all those fresh haircuts that they got earlier today.
No. They're only 4 flipping hours.
What?
Yeah, it's worth it every time too.
So,
What?
He bought us dinner.
I heard.
That's true.
I heard. So, Asher and Brea, what are you doing? Ada, where are you going?
Flipping eraser.
Why is it not
What?
focusing?
I got 2 erasers and 3. What?
You're so weird, kid.
What do I have to write?
What are you doing right now?
I'm flipping a large. I'm flipping an eraser.
So,
I don't know what I'm supposed to write.
Listen.
Heck no!
okay, so, what are we doing, Asher and Brea?
Flipping a eraser.
And
I
Aiden?
am ready for this year.
What did you say? School is dumb.
The excitement for school this year is just overwhelming in this class,
Asher. Oh.
in this house.
I need a book bag.
So,
Wait,
I plan this like this.
Okay.
I will actually go the entire year. No
okay,
misses.
can you
except for
tell
the
me
first
what you're
day.
doing with your fresh haircut?
Okay, so we are doing letters to C because they're
Who's
all-
CE?
I don't know.
Christmas
Why are you asking
education.
me?
Christmas education? no.
No. Well then,
Christian education
Christmas.
at
Christmas eating. That's what it is. See, they're Christmas eating people.
Okay, so you're writing a letter to Christmas eating
Yep.
Or Christmas Eve.
or Christmas Eve
That's what it is. Dear Christmas Eve.
or Christian education.
Or Christmas Eve.
It's Christian
So you're writing
education.
a letter about
Dear
the week we
Christmas.
the week we went like to camp.
Should I write this all out? Just put C.
Whatsoever.
you should write it all out.
What is this? Preschool?
Can I
So we
see?
know you never graduated preschool.
That's a fact.
It's not a fact. You went to 2 preschools.
Exactly. I never finished either of them.
Yes, you did.
Hey, I never went to preschool.
I finished.
And yeah, look how you
Yeah.
have
I finished my preschool. Oh.
Yeah, but you did kindergarten twice in place of doing preschool.
Unlucky.
I know it's not your fault.
Been held back since day one. Not even my fault.
I know.
Yeah, if you like.
What?
Class.
Do you have to work through that issue too?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
You gonna be mad forever at us about that?
Back in life. It's not even my fault.
Oh Lord.
Waiting on somebody else.
Oh
And this is
Lord.
our life
Up
right
to
here.
it, Jesus.
Jesus is another word for Jesus. I learned that.
At camp?
No.
I think you should talk about what Caleb taught you in the cabins.
Oh, how to fart with the floor. he actually, Aiden actually showed me.
Does it work on hardwood?
Yeah. It works up to me.
Okay, show us what
Turn it
you learned
off.
at
No,
camp.
turn it
No, show us what you learned at camp.
So
Daddy can
Can I write that?
no.
maybe say that your counselor taught you some really fun things.
Alright, Dad, can I put this in? This is like, no.
This is very weird.
Okay,
It's very
let's do
weird.
it.
I'm learning how to fart with the floor.
Take off your
Fart
shirt.
on the floor. Shirt's coming off!
It's a boy thing, Brian.
I need
Uh oh.
some water.
Put it all on there. Just like.
Oh, I need on my back. Oh, this is gonna be so fun.
What are you doing?
Okay, wait. Shine, no,
It'll
Shine
get
the
us
light.
views, Mom.
shine it away, shine it away.
Why?
Cause it's funny if you hear it. and you actually see
Okay,
it.
okay. Go ahead, show us what you're doing.
Dad, you need to edit this out.
What? Why is your back all up?
Let's go. Stop.
And this is what Ashley learned at camp.
Oh, here they were good.
Whoa, what's all over the floor?
Water. You know why? You know why that happened? What happens whenever, what gets all over the floor on days that I do what?
When you cook, everything.
Cook?
Anything.
No. When I mop. I actually mopped the floor for the first time and I don't even know how long.
Lucky.
And looks like Nate's gonna be mopping it again before he leaves. Oh, you are.
Let me tell you what I'm not
I need help. Mom. I only have the and then you do.
How's it going, Eden?
I'm not doing it.
Okay.
Ha!
I'll take your phone.
No.
Yes, I will.
I'll do it later.
Nope. Not happen. We're not doing this again.
Nope.
Give me the phone.
Later.
This is what happens when they're stuck inside all day because we had such a rainy
Still,
day
dear Christian education.
and they've been home. And well, actually, they spent the morning at the barber's, but they've been home ever since it's been raining. And this is what we have to endure tonight.
Why are you like staring?
You need to get some clothes on.
Pointing at you.
You need some clothes on. You're better looking. Stop.
What are we supposed to do?
Oh my gosh, I'm not even walking in here. What?
You're babysitting Rachel. I need the car tomorrow morning.
Where
No.
did you put all the candy?
For what?
I have to pick up some stuff.
We'll talk later.
Huh?
Talk later.
Oh, Cody's here.
You're scaring me.
Hi, Cody.
Hello.
How are
Good,
ya?
how are you?
We haven't seen you in
That's like
forever,
kind of
dude.
weird. Like we haven't seen
Some
him.
food turkeys.
Watch, Nate just totally wet the floor.
They were coming for me. They scared me.
They're huge, aren't they?
I thought they were gonna get me.
They're to check out the craziness, Cody.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay.
Get him, Cody. Get him.
Okay. You gotta watch out for
And they're really dirty. Look at Scott. They're following.
Oh my gosh, those stickers are so big.
They're friendly, Cody.
Get him! Get him! Go turkeys, go! Go turkeys, go! Hey, we're back. So we finished up these letters. We got it all done. And the rest of the night we just spent chilling. We sat down, had some ice cream, watched TV, Toby's, sitting there licking the rest of the ice cream. So we'll throw those on Red because she asked us not to. 'Cause that's how we do stuff. And so I'm kidding. But yeah, that was tonight. Before I say goodnight, we have a couple more things to tell you. We're still on our push for 100 subscribers by the end of the summer. I think we're at like 92-ish. I'm not sure about that. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That is something you should do. Mom pushed me out of the way. Yeah, that is something you should do. Share if you are subscribed. Aiden, that's copyright. Turn it off now. Yeah, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.